guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating an under app using Thunkable. So in this app I'm not going to show you guys the design part, I'm just going to show you guys the code part. So before we get started, I want to tell you guys a little bit about the app. So this app is going to calculate the profit percentage. So this is a really nice app for if you have a store, if you have this club where a club, actually, let's see, where a club sells stuff. It's really good, and useful app. And for the design part, I'm just gonna give you guys a little hint. So I got 3 labels right over here, 1, 2, 3, and between them, I got 2 text inputs, and at the last, I got a button. Now let's get started coding. First, I'm going to go ahead and create 4 variables. So if you don't want to drag and drop the blocks, just go ahead and copy and paste them. Sorry. Copy and paste them. So the first one is going to be named Profit. Second one is going to be named Selling Price. Third one is going to be named Cost Price. And the last one is going to be named Profit per son. I'm going to set all of them to 0. So I'm going to be using the same trick again. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to button 1 and grab the first block, this control, because when the button is clicked, everything is going to work. So we're going to get that, and I'm going to go to variables again and get the second block. So we're going to set app selling price to get text from text input 1, because that's where you enter your selling price. We're going to copy and paste that one more time. This time, app cost price and text input 2. Nice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to set a variable profit. So profit is going to equal, to app cost price minus app selling price. So the first one is going to be app selling price, and this one is going to be cost price. Great. Now, app profit percentage, we're going to set it to first, we're going to go to math, and we're going to get a division symbol. Then, inside that, this block, we're going to put a multiplication symbol. So, it's going to be variables and profit. Okay. So, it's going to be app profit multiplied by 100 and divided by app cost price. So now we're gonna think about how we are gonna get our whole calculation into the label. So we're gonna go ahead and go to text, and you could find this join block, second block, and you're gonna go ahead and just grab that in. Okay, before that, we're gonna let's go to design. Okay, so this is our label 3. So we're gonna go to label 3 and get from label 3 set text to label. So we're gonna get that because we want our text to set at label 3. Okay, put a join block instead of label, and we're just gonna keep world, but we're gonna just delete that hello. And instead of hello, we're gonna go to math and get a round block. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll find it. And here, gonna go to variables and get a profit percentage. Okay. And instead of world, we're gonna make it a percentage sign. Good. So now let's test our app. Here goes nothing. 120 selling price and 70 price. Oh my gosh, guys, it just worked. Can't you believe it? We created an under app. This is so awesome, guys. So I really hope you guys love creating this app, had fun making this app. Also remember to subscribe my channel and ring the bell button for more notifications. Bye! See you next time!